South Korea overtakes India as world's sixth largest stock market. South Korea overtakes India as world's sixth largest stock market. In a major development in global finance market, South Korea's stock market has overtaken India's to become the world's sixth largest equity market by total market capitalization. The milestone reflects a powerful rally in Korean technology stocks, particularly semiconductor giants benefiting from the global artificial intelligence AI boom. According to market data compiled by Bloomberg, the total market capitalization of companies listed in South Korea surged to nearly $5 trillion in 2026, while India's market value declined to around $4.8 trillion. South Korea climbs to sixth position globally. South Korea's remarkable rise has been powered largely by the strong performance of its semiconductor industry. Market capitalization comparison: country South Korea $5 trillion, India $4.8 trillion. South Korea's stock market recorded an extraordinary rally, with the Kospi index gaining more than 100% in 2026, making it one of the strongest performing major markets globally. AI boom fuels Korean market rally. The biggest contributors to South Korea's stock market surge have been Samsung Electronics Company, SK Hynix Inc. Both companies entered the $1 trillion valuation club, driven by massive global demand for AI memory chips and advanced semiconductor technologies. As artificial intelligence infrastructure expands globally, investors have heavily favored companies positioned to benefit directly from AI hardware demand. The strong performance of these chip giants helped South Korea move ahead of several major economies, including Canada, Germany, United Kingdom, France, India. Why did India fall behind? While India remains one of the fastest growing major economies, several factors contributed to the decline in market value. Key challenges for India: weakening Indian rupee, record foreign investor outflows, limited direct exposure to AI infrastructure companies, global capital shifting towards semiconductor-driven market. Despite the temporary decline in stock market capitalization, India continues to maintain strong economic fundamentals. India still leads in economic size. Although South Korea moved ahead in equity market value, India remains significantly larger in terms of overall economic output. Economy: India $4.15 trillion, South Korea $1.93 trillion. India continues to remain among the world's fastest growing economies, supported by strong domestic demand, manufacturing expansion, digital growth, and infrastructure investment. Expert view: markets expert believe South Korea's rise reflects the current dominance of the AI and semiconductor cycle. According to analysts, sustaining this momentum will depend not only on technology leadership but also on continued corporate reforms and broader market participation beyond a handful of the large technology firms.